How can I update the ITV Hub app on my smart TV to fix any issues?
Hello there. In this video, we'll be going through the steps to update your ITV Hub app on your smart TV. This is often a solution to some common issues you may be experiencing with the app. Remember, keeping your app up to date ensures the best performance and introduces new features that may enhance your viewing experience.
Why should I update my ITV Hub app?
Updating your ITV Hub app is crucial for many reasons. It resolves bugs, introduces new features, and improves the overall user interface. Updates are designed to enhance your viewing experience and fix any issues that have been detected in the previous versions of the app.
How do I know if an update is needed?
If you are experiencing glitches, slow performance, or other unusual behavior on your ITV Hub app, these could be signs that an update is required. Most smart TVs will notify you when an update is available. If not, you can check manually through the app settings.
How to update the ITV Hub app?
Here are the general steps you can follow to update the ITV Hub app on your smart TV. Keep in mind, the steps may vary slightly depending on the brand and model of your smart TV. 1. Turn on your smart TV and make sure it's connected to the internet. 2. Go to the main menu or home screen. 3. Navigate to the App Store or App section. 4. Search for the ITV Hub app. 5. If an update is available, there should be an Update option. Click on it. 6. The TV will then download and install the update. This process could take several minutes, depending on your internet connection. If you don't see an Update option, it likely means your app is already up to date.
What if updating the app didn't fix the issue?
In case updating the ITV Hub app didn't resolve your issue, you can try the following options. Restart your smart TV. Sometimes a simple restart can fix many minor glitches. Reinstall the ITV Hub app. Delete the ITV Hub app and reinstall it from your TV's App Store. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable, as ITV Hub requires a good internet connection to function properly. Contact ITV Hub support. If none of the above options work, you might need to contact ITV Hub support team. And that's how you can update the ITV Hub app on your smart TV. We hope this guide has been helpful and will assist you in resolving any issues you're experiencing with the app. Always keep your apps updated to ensure a smooth and enjoyable user experience. Happy watching!